let's get started. आपण मन समस्त को धन्यवाद. You all took time and carved time out of your busy schedule. आज हम मन को join करिया को. मो ना होची अपराजिता स्वाई. आपण मने मते जूली ना रे बहुत जण जानि चंदी एवं जूली डाकी भी पारिबे. That is my nickname. I'm the founder of CAMS Charity, and I know बहुत जण का mind रे question अछि, what is CAMS? So CAMS is a charitable 501c3 organization, and it stands for Kind Acts for Mankind through Selfless Service. So today we have a beautiful evening put together to celebrate Krutanjali. Krutanjali, which means gratitude, a virtual global musical concert to thank the Almighty and all our frontline warriors and our wonderful, talented artists around the world who have been impacted tremendously with the COVID and the lockdown. It is our great honor and privilege as we have among us today so many doctors, nurses, and frontline workers. We thank all of you all from the bottom of our hearts, and it is because of all of you that we get to live a healthy, safe, and happy life. So our deepest gratitude and thank you to each one of you. I will unmute the phone, everybody now, and we can give them a big round of applause. I would like to request Dr. Panchanan Satpathy Mosa, who is a well-respected OSA fraternity member and the kindest and sweetest person. He is from Tennessee, USA, to say a few words for us.
I am Panchanan Satpathy, Nashville, Tennessee. You know, we had so many pandemics in the past, like a plague in 1720, a cholera in 1820, Spanish flu in 1918, COVID now. So almost every 100 years we have a pandemic. We have read and heard about the pandemics, but we have not experienced such a pandemic in our lifetime, at least. COVID affected almost every country in the world. Millions and millions of people are suffering. Hundreds of thousands of people died. And a lot of people lost their jobs and livelihood also. This has created economic disasters to so many countries and so many people. Every country more and more about this new disease. This is new to everybody. They are trying to adjust to the new situation. Now we are waiting for the effective vaccination. Krutanjali, a virtual global musical event, is a wonderful idea during this pandemic time. This provides an opportunity during the time of isolation, and this concert gives great comfort to so many people. We are especially thankful to Aparajita and Sanjeev and their team for their hard work to arrange such a wonderful program, Krutanjali. Many people contributed in many ways to help suffering people. Here also we can contribute and help these suffering people. If we can provide food and medicine and bring a smile on a sad face, it will be nothing but grace of God and great blessing of Lord on all our people. I will stop here and proceed with the further program. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mosa, for your kind words and your service. So we are showing our gratitude, and we deeply thank you for your service.
Thank you.
Next, I would like to request Dr. Debasis Ray, one of the founding members of OSA Health and Wellness, to kindly say a few words.
Namaskar. Thank you, everybody, and thanks for inviting us for this wonderful event you guys have arranged. And so all my best good wishes to you all for this. To start with, I would like to say, COVID-19 pandemic has upended everybody's life throughout the world. It has unleashed an unprecedented risk, devastation, death, and destruction everywhere it has its finger footprints. And whenever these things have happened in the past, including today, what we're going through, the frontline workers have always rose to the occasion without fearing for their own life and family and have jumped into the cauldron of human emotions and death and tried to do what they have to do. And they have paid the ultimate price for doing so. But when we lose one of our own, it has always been that we feel the pain, we grieve within ourselves. But to see this wonderful group of people with this mindset, realizing our sacrifice and trying to honor us and respect our sacrifice, this is really very heart touching, and I'm very emotional. I have a lot of my doctors here who are very touched with this gesture which you guys have been showing now, and this is a wonderful event you guys have organized in USA and throughout the world. And I would like to say thank you very much from the OSA Health and Wellness Group and all the frontline workers who are here and who have been sacrificing day in and day out every day. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dev Bhai. Thank you for all the service to mankind and to all of us. Now we will move forward, and I will request Dr. Sangeeta Pradhan, who is also one of the founding members of the OSA Health and Wellness Group, to kindly say a few words. Sangeeta Appa, over to you.
नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ मु डॉक्टर संगीता प्रधान मिशिगन यूएसए रु समस्त को वेलकम करूची किए जानिथिला जेतेबेले एमती गोटे क्राइसिस स्ट्राइक हबो सेतेबेले भगवान गोटे कबाट बंद कले 100टा कबाट खोली देले नाउ वी आर ऑल वर्चुअली कनेक्टेड I would like to thank the team CAMS Charity for giving me this opportunity to speak and for putting this program together. It's such a novel online program uniting the whole world to promote Odia culture, arts, music, and dance, and bringing the best artists from Orissa on one online platform for the noble purpose of expressing gratitude to the frontline workers. And let's not forget, frontline doesn't just mean doctors or nurses or people working in the hospital. It also means our mailman, our cleaning crew, the grocery store people, everybody. We really thank everybody, and I will not be in between the great program we have ahead. Let's all enjoy that. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, Sangeeta Appa, for your kind words, and thank you so much for your service. And you are absolutely right. Frontline workers entail such a big community, and we are so very grateful that because of them, we all are safe, healthy, and living a happy life in our homes during this pandemic. So thank you to all of you. Now I would like to unmute everyone, and we'll take a quick standing ovation and give it to all our doctors, all our frontline workers. So let's all clap for them. Awesome. So let's get started now with our evening cultural segment. And I will move forward to introduce our fantastic guest artist for tonight. So he is a very famous and versatile artist from Orissa. He belongs to a musical family, and his father, late Vaishnav Charan Sao, is a recognized singer, composer, and lyricist. He is not only a famous ghazal singer, but is quite at home with all forms of singing like bhajan, Sufi, Nazrul Geeti, and Rag Pradhan. He has also performed in several TV, radio, and live shows around the world. He has spent many years under the guidance of Bhajan Samrat Shri Anup Jalota ji. He has shared the stage with many legendary singers of India in various concerts. Currently, he is collaborating with the I Learn Indian Music Academy and providing online classical training, light music, and semi-classical classes virtually to everyone around US and all over the world. Please put your hands together and let's welcome among us Shri कैलाश वैष्णव जी।
समस्त गुरुजन मानक मोर नमस्कार। सबू मो बयसी सांगसाथी मानक नमस्कार। गुरुजन मानक प्रणाम मोर आउ सान मानक बहुत बहुत शुभेच्छा। जी फर्स्ट टाइम वर्चुअली एते बड़ गोटे प्रोग्राम होची म्यूजिकली तो प्रोग्राम होची आउ उद्देश्य जे ओडिसा रे जो जो आर्टिस्ट माने सफर करुचंती सेमानकु साहाय्य करबा पई तांको समस्त मु साधुवाद दउची। एते बड़ प्रोग्राम करिथबारु एई उद्देश्य रे विशेष कर संजीव बाबू जुली की मु बहुत बहुत शुभेच्छा दउची। भगवान तांकर मंगल करंतु। जो अवस्था रे हमें अछु सारा पृथ्वी जो अवस्था रे अछि ताधरु प्रभु केमिति हमकु उद्धार करंतु सेई प्रार्थना प्रभु जगन्नाथ पाद पद्म गोटे भजन मु आरंभ करिया जाऊँगी। सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य मामकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वां सर्वपापभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचम्। मोक्षयिष्यामि मा श्रीमंदिरे जाई श्री जगन्नाथ मागिबी कियो मागिबी कियो मो जीवन पछे नरके पड़ी मो जीवन पछे नरके पड़ी जगत उद्धार महाबाहु जगत उद्धार जगत उद्धार श्रीमंदिरे जाई श्री जगन्नाथ मागिबी कियो मागिबी कियो श्रीमंदिरे जाई श्री जगन्नाथ मागिबी कियो मागिबी कियो मो जीवन पछे नरके पड़ी मो जीवन पछे नरके पड़ी जगत उद्धार महाबाहु
ଆଉ ପୁଣ୍ୟ ଏ ଜଗତେ ଭରା ମାୟା ମୋହ ଏଠି ସବୁ ଦଶରା ପାପ ଆଉ ପୁଣ୍ୟ ଏ ଜଗତେ ଭରା ମାୟା ମୋହ ଏଠି ସବୁ ଦଶରା କି ଭିକ୍ଷା କରିବି ତାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ରୀଚରଣେ କି ଭିକ୍ଷା କରିବି ତାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ରୀଚରଣେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କି ଅଜଣା କିଓ ବା ମାଗିବି ମହାବାହୁ ଜଗତ ଉଦ୍ଧାର ହେଉ ଜଗତ ଉଦ୍ଧାର ହେଉ ତାଙ୍କ ହାତ ଗଢ଼ା ଏ ସାରା ସଂସାର ନ ପାରନ୍ତି ଯେବେ କରି ସେ ଉଦ୍ଧାର ତାଙ୍କ ହାତ ଗଢ଼ା ଏ ସାରା ସଂସାର ନ ପାରନ୍ତି ଯେବେ କରି ସେ ଉଦ୍ଧାର ଏକା ବସିଥାତୁ ରତ୍ନ ସିଂହାସনে ଏକା ବସିଥାତୁ রত্ন সিংহাসনে এ জগত একা বসিথাতু রত্ন সিংহাসনে এ জগত ভাসি যাও কিও বা মাগিবি মহাবাহু জগত উদ্ধার হেউ শ্রীমন্দিরে যাই শ্রী জগন্নাথଙ୍କୁ মাগিবি কিও বাউ মাগিবি কিও বাউ ମୋ ଜୀବନ ପଛେ ନରକେ ପଡ଼ିଥାଉ ମୋ ଜୀବନ ପଛେ ନରକେ ପଡ଼ିଥାଉ ଜଗତ ଉଦ୍ଧାର ହେଉ ମହାବାହୁ ଜଗତ ଉଦ୍ଧାର ହେଉ ଜଗତ ଉଦ୍ଧାର ହେଉ ଜଗତ ଉଦ୍ଧାର ହେଉ ମିଛ ଦୁନିଆରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ସତ ମିଛ ଦୁନିଆରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ସତ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ସେ ମୋ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ସେ ମୋ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ तारी पार से ही मारी पार से ही तारी पार से ही मारी पार से ही गोटिए हाथ जगन्नाथ से मो जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ से मो जगन्नाथ गाई गाई रामायण सुनी सुनी गीता गाई गाई रामायण सुनी सुनी गीता पढ़ी पढ़ी भागवत सरे निज कथा गाई गाई रामायण सुनी सुनी गीता पढ़ी पढ़ी भागवत सरे निज कथा भजन जणाण पुणी पोथी की पुराण सबुठारे विजे से ही प्रभु नारायण सबुठारे विजे से ही प्रभु नारायण पतित उद्धार पाई उड़े जाने तो जगन्नाथ से मो जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ से मो जगन्नाथ ସେହି ଏକା କହିଥିଲା କୁରୁକ୍ଷେତ୍ରେ ଗୀତା ସେହି ଏକା ବରଜିଲା ସତୀ ମାତା ସୀତା ସେହି ଏକା କହିଥିଲା କୁରୁକ୍ଷେତ୍ରେ ଗୀତା ସେହି ଏକା ବରଜିଲା ସତୀ ମାତା ସୀତା ସେହି ଏକା ସହିଥିଲା ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ ଗୋଇଠା ସେହି ଏକା ସହିଥିଲା ସବରୀ ଅଇଠା ସେହି ଏକା ଖାଇଥିଲା ସବରୀ ଅଇଠା যাহার ইচ্ছারে চালে সারা জগত জগন্নাথ সে মো জগন্নাথ জগন্নাথ সে মো জগন্নাথ মিছ দুনিয়ারে গোটিয়ে সত মিছ দুনিয়ারে গোটিয়ে সত জগন্নাথ সে মো জগন্নাথ জগন্নাথ সে মো জগন্নাথ তারি পারে সে মারি পারে সে তারি পারে সে मारी पार से गोटिए हाथ जगन्नाथ से मो जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ से मो जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ से मो जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ से मो जगन्नाथ जगन्नाथ से मो जगन्नाथ
Beautiful.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कैलाश भाई, वेरी डिवाइन एंड सोलफुल।
गीतटी लिखिଛନ୍ତି लक्ष्मण मिश्र, लिखिଛନ୍ତି मोर बंधु राउरकेलारू सुध राउरकेलारू डॉक्टर सुशांत पाणी। से जड़े एकाधारे जड़े म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, जड़े भल सिंगर और जड़े लेखक भी, तांकरी कंपोजिशन।
दुख दरियारे कूल मु पाउनी, दुख दरियारे कूल मु पाउनी, दुख दरियारे कूल मु पाउनी, तते मु रहिछि चाहि, तोते मु रहिछि चाहि, कालिया काहिकी मो मन बुझुनु, कालिया काहिकी मो मन बुझुनु, एते अपनार होई दुख दरियारे कूल मु पाउनी, दुख दरियारे कूल मु पाउनी। किए अछि मोर आगकु पछकु, पोछिब आखिरु लुह, कालिया मो डाक न शुणी बुझेबे, आउ के शुणिब कोह, किए अछि मोर आगकु पछकु, पोछिब आखिरु लुह, कालिया मो डाक न शुणी बुझेबे, आउ के शुणिब कोह, भरोसा टिकिए न पाइले तोर, भरोसा टिकिए न पाइले तोर, भासी जीवी सिना मुही, तोते मु रहिछि चाहि, दुख दरियारे कूल मु पाउनी, दुख दरियारे कूल मु पाउनी। कालिया 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 कालिया।
बहुत बढ़िया भाई। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद भाई आपण जॉइन करिकी आम पय एते सुंदर संध्याटा आरंभ करिसंती with divine and soulful music भाई को हमें we are going to be bringing Koyas भाई again back आपण माने प्लीज आपण माने जे सुनिया को चाहचंती he is going to be back again हमर बॉलीवुड सेगमेंट परे